Hey everyone, Dan here, and today I have decided to do things a little bit different and get out on the kayak. I'm on the Norfolk Broads, so I live in Norfolk, and this is just an absolutely beautiful part of the country. So as you can see around me, there's just blue skies, big broad, and literally no one else about at the moment. It's just wonderful. I'm in my Viking Profish 400, which is an amazing kayak. If you've never been kayaking and it's something that you've wanted to get into, I would highly recommend this kayak. It was cost me about £600, so it's not cheap, but you do pay for what you get. And the reason why I like this kayak so much is just how flat it is. It's a fishing kayak, and predominantly you can stand up in it, you can fish, you can do what you want, but I tend to just use mine for poodling around on the Broads because it's so solid. If a boat comes past you, which around the Broads they do fairly regularly, and we get a lot of holiday makers on the Broads, and this kayak is just incredible. I've had a few boats come past me faster than the 4 miles an hour allowed, creating quite a bit of wake, and never had a problem in this kayak. Never had a problem. My partner's got a slightly cheaper one. I think it cost us about £300, and it was one of those sort of package ones you get, and she doesn't come as regularly as I do, but you can notice the difference. Mainly in the front of the kayak, the water gets underneath it, whereas this one, it just cuts through, and it's absolutely brilliant. So I'm going to stop talking and just enjoy the view. Listen to that. I mean, I'm recording on my Insta360 here, and I don't have any external audio with me today. Just literally the 360 on a tripod, and I don't know if you can hear, but there's nothing. It's just bird noise, a slight breeze. And nothing. It's wonderful. I've got some swans coming up. Oh, look at this. Beautiful. Okay, that was pretty close. Yeah, stunning birds. But they scare the out of you when they do that. now coming up to South Walsham Broad, and this is just an incredible broad, and there are some beautiful houses around it, and this is where I tend to launch from, because it's got easy access, it's got a really nice slipway, it's free, which is also a benefit, and there are some lovely people around here who are always up for a chat. As you can see, there's lots of nice private boats all moored up for the winter. So I'm now going to paddle over and get out, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.